Drexler Ceramics Wheel Coat is a protective and water-repellent coating for your wheels and brake calipers. Say goodbye to clinging brake dust and harsh chemical cleaners. Wheel Coat improves the shine of your wheels and makes them hydrophobic and easy to clean. The coating's glossy finish and self-cleaning properties last up to 2 years, and it's easy to apply. Make sure your wheels are clean and dry before application. Drop enough product on the cotton pad to cover most of the pad. Then, apply Wheel Coat uniformly on the whole surface of the wheel. Immediately wipe off excess product with a clean and dry microfiber cloth. If the design is complex, apply the coating on one half of the wheel, wipe off the excess product, and repeat the process on the other half. Let your wheels dry for at least 2 hours before driving your car. You can also apply the protection of Wheel Coat to the inside of your wheels using the same process. Now, you have glossy, hydrophobic, and fully protected wheels with Drexler Ceramics Wheel Coat.